This is the hair. I'm about to. I hate how it was installed. Like beyond hate. Like I'm just depressed right now. So I just wanted you to show you all the natural state after it was sewn in and stuff. How the hair looked. This is how it looks at the top. I'm about to do something with it because I'm known for my hair being on point, and this right here is not on point, so I'm finna doctor it up and stuff and let you all know what I come out with. I did just go to Walmart and I purchased this for my edges. I know it's not good for your hair so much, but I do need something to slick them back because my hair is so broken off from heat damage. So I'm going to be using this and tie it down. I'm not going to be messing with it though. I won't be putting any heat or anything with it. Along with, I purchased this Curl Calm Down by Fructis Style. Can you see it? And I purchased this. It's a leave-in conditioning cream by Garnier Fructis Style. Everybody was telling me about the organics and stuff, but at my Walmart that I go to, I seen like everything was picked over and they were restocking, and they was Hispanic and they act like they didn't speak English even though they work here or whatever. So I just had to, let go. Okay, and about my install, I did not use my closure. Lord have mercy. I feel like the closure was unnecessary for me. I don't think it was a bad closure. It didn't really have the same curl pattern though. So you might want to look out for that if you're going to try to purchase this hair. And I used all of my bundles. Oh, I'm sorry. But I do have about this much hair left and the closure. Sorry, it looks like that. It was just, we was rummaging. And this is what the hair looks like. These are the tips at the ends, and I'm trying to get them put together. So I'm gonna take the leave-in conditioner and put some in my hair and rub, and just at the bottom and see if we can restore the tips. They're not bad, but they're not good. Much manageable. That is curly hair, so you gotta kind of be patient with it. And what else? Okay, the hair does shed. It's curly hair, and let me tell y'all this: people be buying hair for $50 and they be like, "Oh my gosh, it's shedding. They're a horrible company." You get what you pay for. So I didn't expect for this hair just to be like, "Oh, nothing." Like, I know how to take care of it, and I know I'm gonna have to find a way to take care of it that'll be with the hair. I know the hair is not gonna be perfect. I spent $190 for 3 bundles in closure. So you get what you pay for. So don't expect for the hair to be shedless and stuff like that. I wouldn't even say the hair is virgin. It might be, it might not, but I don't care. It's hair. It's more than I got, and I'm happy with it. It feels nice. So basically I just say live and be happy with the hair. And by the way, I left all of my edges out because they are broke off. In the back, I won't be wearing it in a ponytail. It doesn't need to be in a ponytail. This is going to be how I wear my hair. And you guys, I'm kind of liking it. I just hope it lasts, because going to college and stuff, I need hair that lasts. So please leave any questions, anything in here. Also, I did curl the hair to see if it would curl. Like before I got it installed, I curled a piece, and it curls really pretty. It won't, I don't like how it looks when I straightened it, but it does curl really pretty. So, need anything no, I'm just playing. Comment below and subscribe and like and dislike whatever you would like to do. And let me know if you want a tutorial about anything, or if you want a real talk video, or whatever you might be interested in.